Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to revise our chapter 7 major climate types of the world from page 86 to 89. In this chapter the very first topic is distribution of climate. We can distribute our world in different regions on the basis of temperature and rainfall. Based on these elements, our world is divided into three broad categories. For climate, the number one type is tropical climate, number two temperate climate, and number three polar climate. The tropical climate and temperate climate are further divided into equatorial climate, tropical monsoon climate, warm temperate climate, and cool temperate climate. The very first, the tropical climate, as you can see, is divided into equatorial and tropical climate. Areas within the equatorial climate are located between 10 degree north and 10 degree south of the equator, while on the other hand, tropical climate areas are located between 10 degrees and 10 to 25 degree north and south of the equator. In equatorial climate, the temperature range is 2 degrees Celsius, which is very small, while in the tropical monsoon climate, the temperature range is 0 degrees Celsius. While the annual amount of rainfall in this area of tropical climate is 2000 millimeter, and the annual amount of rainfall is about 1800 millimeter in tropical monsoon climate. The areas included in tropical climate are Congo River Basin, Amazon Basin, Malaysia and Philippines, while the areas of tropical monsoon climate are Bangladesh, Sri Lanka and Southeast Brazil. Now we are moving towards temperate climate. Temperate climate is also divided into further types. Number is warm temperate climate and other is cool temperate climate. The areas that are located between 30 degree north and 50 degree of south of the equator are included in warm temperate climate, while the areas lying between 35 degree north and 55 degree north and between 45 degree north and 60 degree north of the equator are the part of cool temperate climate. The cool temperate climate is restricted in the northern hemisphere. In warm temperate climate, winter temperatures rarely fall below freezing point, while winter temperatures frequently falls below freezing point. Now, the areas of the warm temperate climate are Chile, Central California and Iranian highland, while the areas of cool temperate climate are North America and Europe. And the average summer temperature is between 18 degree and 29 degrees Celsius in warm temperate climate, while the average summer temperature is between 15 degree and 25 degrees Celsius in cool temperate climate. Now, what you have to do, you have to solve the given worksheet for geography, as we have revised our chapter number 7. So there are some questions. The number one question is fill in the blanks, then answer the following short questions and a one long question at the end. So the first blank is write the temperatures. Winter temperatures can be as low as dash in polar climate. Second, the average summer temperature of warm temperate climate is between dash and dash. It's very clear. And the third blank is the countries that experience the polar climate are dash and dash. So you have to mention the name of other two countries of polar climate. Then the first question is mention 4 areas of warm temperate climate. Just write their names. Then name the 2 elements that affect the climate of a place. Then mention the latitudes and the areas, in which you have to mention the latitude as well as the areas of cool temperate climate. The fourth question is mention 4 areas of the tropical monsoon climate. Fifth question is mention 3 broad types of world's climate. Just 3 broad types, not their subdivision. And then what is the mean annual temperature and mean annual temperature range in the tropical monsoon climate. And at the last you have to mention 5 authentic points of equatorial climate. And if you are having any difficulty in this worksheet, you can ask in the comment section and try to solve this worksheet on time.